Hello, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arjun, and friends, I have come here with a topic. It's not kind of topic. Uh, Earlier, 2 hours ago, I was studying, so one thought hit my mind, and it was related to English, this language. So now, as you can see, everyone wants to learn this language because this is an international language, and it really helps us to live our life or to explore the world. So as we are learning, as we are going through this journey, so we face a lot of difficulties, we face a lot of challenge in our way. So the first, so I would like to tell you two things only over here. The first thing is that some of us learn this language most of us learn this language through grammar, through sentences, through tenses, through modals, verbs, everything. First we learn this and then we practice. So first and foremost thing, you really don't need grammar. I'm not saying that you don't need grammar at all. You need, but not that much. Like you are not gonna be a trainer, so you need only simple and basic grammar structure, because it's also important. Without simple structures you can't form sentences. Even you can't find that, i mean sentences and timing, like in which timing you are talking about. Some make mistakes, like if I want to tell my daily routine or the things which I do every day, so they tell in the past, or they just go like they use, stative verb is mr was verb with action verb, dynamic verb. For example, if I say that I go to school every day and I learn this language. So some of us say that I am go to English. I am go to school every day and I am learn this language. So here we make mistake. So at least we need some of rules. Not that much, but to understand like what we are talking about. So first point is that you should have a bit of knowledge about some basic structures, like about tenses, in which tense you have to talk about, or you should express your thoughts. Second thing is that not this is I wouldn't, I will not uh, call it second thing. It can be, thing like that. Most of us learn, structures like in Hindi. For example, if I want to say something in present tense, like मैं मूवी देखता हूँ और 2 घंटे पढ़ता हूँ, फिर मैं खाना खाता हूँ. तो we most of us, what understand what we do just we understand, like if the sentence ends with ta hai ti hai te hai, then we use verb, and when it is singular we use sis. So we use, the old methods that is are not useful in today's life. So we should stop using studying like this. We should, learn situational English. For example, if you want to tell something that you do every day, so don't recall the rule like if ta hai ti hai te hai, when we use v1. No, if you do any work every day, that is in that is that involves your daily routine, you should speak everything in, simple present v1. For example, I study 2 hours every day, then I have my lunch. After that I practice speaking English for 30 minutes, or maybe sometimes 1 hour. And for then I listen podcast to improve my English, and I work a bit of my pronunciation. So now I spoke everything, that was my daily routine, which I do every day, so I use v1 here. So learn situational English, don't learn English according to Hindi. If you learn through Hindi, then can you imagine how can, Englishman, Angrez, learn this language? Because they don't know what is Hindi. They learn English through English. So if someone says that we can't learn English without Hindi, with the help of without Hindi, then how can how can Englishman learn this language? So no, it's not like that. You can't learn this language without Hindi. You can learn this language without Hindi. You need to understand the situation. So that's what I want to say with you. Like, you should focus on situational English instead of uh, the structures that are taught in school. Second thing, I hear most of the time is practice. How to practice? I every day listen this thing. How to practice? How can we practice at home if we do not have any partner? So how can, with whom we should do it? So guys, you can do. You won't believe whatever I am speaking. I know that I am making a bit of mistakes while speaking, so it's okay, because I do not perceive myself that I am a fluent speaker, or I am an eloquent speaker. I do make mistakes, but because I also understand one thing: making mistake is a part of this journey. Is part of this journey. If you don't make mistake, it means you are not learning. This is the proof that you are learning, you are improving yourself, you are enhancing your English every day. But the thing is that not I'm not talking about you, but most of the people say that we do not have any partners with whom we should we practice. Guys, you can do. I do every day. I do not have any partner too, still I do practice every day. I do perform many activities at home. Sometimes I record myself doing something. Sometimes I make videos. Like, sometimes I teach some basic structures, and then I explain each and everything in English. Or sometimes I do news reporting, commentary. Sometimes I speak a story. Sometimes I tell a story, I deliver a story. So this is what you can do every day. You don't need any kind of partner. You needn't any partner. But for you are the only partner of yourself. You have yourself. So you can practice with you. You can be the both. You can be your partner. So that's what. Now I would like to wrap up my, it's not kind of a speech, it's a hint. That was I wanted to give you, but now I've finished. So, and if any one of you wants to practice with me, you can reach out me through email in description. Thank you.